Welcome to What is Litecoin, the cryptocurrency for payments based on blockchain technology. I've heard many things about Litecoin. I've heard it is better than Bitcoin. I've heard it is faster than Bitcoin. I've heard that it is silver to Bitcoin's gold. But today we're going to figure out what is Litecoin. Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near zero cost payments to anyone in the world. Litecoin is an open source global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authorities. Mathematics secure the network and empowers individuals to control their own finances. Litecoin features faster transaction confirmation times and improves storage efficiency than the leading math-based currency. With substantial industry supports, trade volume, and liquidity, Litecoin is a proven medium of commerce complementary to Bitcoin. Okay, Litecoin Community. Find support across a growing number of Litecoin communities. Litecoin has forums. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you guys can check on this. Litecoin forums, Litecoin Telegram, Litecoin Reddit, and the search for Litecoin on Twitter is another. Okay, resources. Find journal information as well as a list of services and exchanges that support Litecoin at the Litecoin Wiki. Up-to-date network statistics can be found at Litecoin Block Explorer charts. And in GitHub. So guys, you can actually check these resources out. I'll leave that link in the description below. Check this out if you're interested in Litecoin. Open source software. Litecoin is an open source software project released under the MIT X11 license, which gives you the power to run, modify, and copy the software and to distribute at your option. Modify copies of the software. The software is released in a transparent process that allows for independent verification in binaries and their corresponding source codes. Okay, everybody should know that Litecoin has its own blockchain. The Litecoin blockchain is capable of handling higher transaction volume than its counterpart, Bitcoin, due to more frequent block generation. The network supports more transactions without a need to modify the software in the future. As a result, merchants get faster confirmation times while still having the ability to wait for more confirmations when selling bigger ticket items. Okay, they have wallets. Wallet encryption. Wallet encryption allows you to secure your wallet so that you can view transactions and your account balance, but are required to enter your password before spending Litecoin. This provides protection from wallet stealing viruses and Trojans, as well as sanity checks before sending payment. How many people need a payment sanity check on their cash, their fiat? Okay, mining rewards. Miners are currently rewarded with 25 new Litecoin per block, an amount which gets half roughly every 4 years or every 840,000 blocks that are mined on Litecoin's blockchain. The Litecoin network is therefore scheduled to produce 84 million Litecoin, which is 4 times as many currency units as Bitcoin. Okay, guys, let me know what you think about Litecoin. Do you own Litecoin? Are you interested in getting Litecoin? This link will be in the description below. If you made it this far, like, subscribe for more videos on investing. Talk to you later.